Is your everyday carry stuck in 2024? Today, we're counting down the 20 genius AI-integrated EDC gadgets that are officially worth your money in 2026. Forget basic pocket knives and standard wallets. We're talking about next-gen tech like the Rokid AI Lite glasses that replace your laptop and the Naqi Neural Earbuds that let you control your phone with just a tilt of your head. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the best 2026 gadgets or a digital nomad needing a productivity edge, these tools are game changers. Stick around until number 7, because that AI-powered voice recorder literally predicts what you need before you even reach for it. Let's dive into the future of EDC. Never miss a word again. The Viaim Opennote AI voice recorder combines open-ear headphones with flash record, call recording, real-time transcription, translation, and an AI assistant in one smart device. It's essential for capturing meetings, interviews, and calls without distraction, turning speech into accurate notes instantly. Translating up to 78 languages, generating summaries, and creating to-do lists, it boosts productivity with privacy-first encryption and long battery life, perfect for students, professionals, and interview recording anytime, anywhere. Never miss a game-winning moment. The XbotGo AI Auto Sports Camera transforms your phone into a 4K 60 FPS soccer camera and basketball tracking camera for team sports, making recording effortless and essential. Powered by next-level AI, it automatically tracks every player, highlights stars with Follow Me mode, and supports live streaming with no subscription. Working with iOS and Android, it's ideal for coaches, parents, and teams to capture, analyze, and share games via the XbotGo app with real-time scores and cloud storage. Never miss a breakthrough in robotics exploration. The Unitree Go-To robot dog brings dog quadruped robotics to life with advanced embodied AI, making learning and interaction intuitive and exciting. Powered by intelligent obstacle avoidance, smooth walking and running gaits, and app-based control, it adapts to real environments with ease. From the beginner-friendly Go 2 Air to the performance-driven Go 2 Pro, it's built for education, research, and creative experimentation. Ideal for students, developers, and tech enthusiasts to explore motion, autonomy, and real-world robotic intelligence. Protect your privacy wherever you go. The Dronewing AI hidden camera detector is an essential safeguard in a world of unseen surveillance, giving you instant peace of mind. This anti-spy camera finder RF signal and Wi-Fi scanner. Hidden Devices Detector for GPS trackers offers 4 modes for hotel, bathroom, office, and car travel security. As an all-in-one AI anti-spy detector, it scans RF and infrared signals from 100 MHz to 8 GHz, finds pinhole cameras, magnetic GPS, trackers, and Wi-Fi bugs. Compact, user-friendly, with adjustable sensitivity and long-lasting battery life, it's your trusted tool for personal and family security. Smarter health starts at your fingertips. The RingConn AI Smart Ring is a must-have for anyone who wants effortless, continuous wellness tracking without distractions. Featuring 10-day battery life, it's a fitness, sleep, stress HR tracker for women and men with no app fee for standard features and iOS and Android-compatible support. With AI-powered health insights, RingConn Gen 2 Air Smart Ring tracks sleep, heart rate, stress, blood oxygen, activity, and menstrual cycles, delivering personalized guidance. Ultra-thin, waterproof, and comfortable, it's designed to monitor daily health, optimize habits, and support long-term wellness, day and night. Work smarter with a single click. The Oikkei AI wireless mouse is a must-have PC laptop, ChatGPT-enabled Bluetooth mouse with voice recording and AI. Summarize, built for modern productivity. This USB rechargeable high-performance office device combines an Air mouse, wireless touchpad, and ergonomic presenter laser pointer remote in one lightweight design. With AI-powered voice recording, instant summaries, fast Bluetooth connection, and long battery life, it's perfect for meetings, presentations, travel, and daily multitasking, turning work, note-taking, and presenting into a faster, smarter experience. Never miss a word that matters. The Affetuni magnetic voice recorder is an essential digital voice recorder for meetings, interviews, classroom, built for clarity and reliability. Featuring 128 gigabytes of AI-intelligent triple noise reduction, it uses AI and DSP chips to deliver clear audio even in noisy spaces. This voice-activated audio recorder offers 35 days of continuous recording performance with a powerful battery. Dual magnetic attachment enables hands-free use, while one-touch operation makes recording effortless for meetings, lectures, interviews, and daily note capture. Capture every detail effortlessly with the Soundcore AI voice recorder, your ultimate AI note taker. Designed for productivity, it delivers AI transcription and summarization, transforming recordings into clear, structured reports. Enjoy a 6-month Pro at no charge, enabling cross-meeting summary creation and precise transcriptions in 100+ languages. MFI certified and privacy-focused, all audio is encrypted with AES 256 and stored locally, ensuring complete privacy protection. Weighing only 10 grams, it clips, hangs, or attaches for instant recording, making it perfect for meetings, lectures, interviews, and professional note-taking. Experience the future of wearable tech with Meta Smart AI glasses. Equipped with a 12MP camera, open-ear speakers, and Bluetooth, these glasses let you capture video recordings, listen to music, make hands-free calls, and interact with Meta AI effortlessly. Featuring polarized gradient graphite lenses, they deliver style, comfort, and sun protection for men and women. Perfect for on-the-go productivity, travel, and social sharing, they provide real-time translation, live stream capabilities, and privacy controls, making these AI-powered glasses an essential tool for capturing, connecting, and navigating life hands-free. Elevate your productivity with OSO AI Earbuds, the ultimate smart wireless Bluetooth earbud recorder meeting assistant. With ChatGPT and Claude integration, these earbuds transcribe and summarize conversations in 102+ languages, perfect for work, calls, or home use. Capture crystal clear audio in 4 modes: phone calls, in-person chats, playback, or AI note taker for Zoom, Teams, and WebEx. The charging pod with display shows battery, EQ, and avatar info while delivering premium sound with immersive bass, effortless hands-free AI, transcription, smart note-taking, and global collaboration in one sleek device. Bring every participant into view with the KanDao Meeting Room Camera, a pro 360-degree video conference solution designed for clear, efficient communication. Its dual 195-degree lenses provide complete 360-degree coverage, while AI face and voice tracking highlight the active speaker. Equipped with a portable 8-microphone array and high-fidelity 5-watt speaker, it captures audio up to 18 feet, minimizing ambient noise. Plug-and-play USB compatibility works seamlessly with Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet. With 5 smart modes, local recording, and multi-unit expansion, this camera ensures professional quality meetings, secure data, and effortless operation. Small devices transform productivity when clarity and speed matter. The HiDock AI voice recorder is a smart, portable digital recorder that works seamlessly with wireless earbuds using Blue Catch technology. With 3 modes, call, room, and whisper, it adapts to meetings, interviews, or spontaneous ideas. Built-in 64 gigabytes of storage, high notes transcription in 75 languages, and intuitive touch or button controls ensure every word is captured and organized. Compact and mountable, it offers private, professional recording with instant summaries. This recorder is used for meetings, lectures, interviews, brainstorming, and efficient note-taking anywhere. Small desk companions can change how your workspace feels, turning routine moments into something engaging and alive. The TangibleFuture Looi robot is an AI desktop robot companion with ChatGPT voice interaction, visual understanding, personality, and memory. Designed as a tech and gadget gift, electronic pet, toy, and geek desktop setup upgrade, it reacts, learns, and interacts naturally. With expressive animations, autonomous behavior, and built-in 10-watt wireless charging, Looi adds intelligence and character to your space. It is used for conversation, companionship, desk interaction, and everyday enjoyment. Meetings, lectures, and calls demand clarity and efficiency, and the Plaud Note AI voice recorder delivers just that. This sleek 0.12-inch aluminum alloy recorder features dual-mode precision recording with air and vibration conduction sensors, ensuring every sound is captured. Controlled via the Plaud app, it transcribes and summarizes in 112 languages using AI technology, including GPT 5.2 and Gemini 3 Pro. With 64 gigabytes of storage, a protective case, a magnetic ring, and a charging cable included, it's perfect for students, professionals, and teams seeking accurate recordings, actionable summaries, and seamless collaboration. Boost productivity and streamline your workflow with the Topoint AI Laptop Docking Station. This 7-in-1 USB-C hub serves as a docking station, voice transcription and translation tool, and AI office assistant, all in one. It supports dual 4K monitors, expanding your workspace for multitasking, while real-time AI transcription and translation in 130-plus languages make global collaboration seamless. With 100-watt PD fast charging, USB 3.0 ports, and broad compatibility for MacBook, Dell, HP, and more, this portable hub is ideal for home offices, remote work, business travel, and hybrid setups. Step into the future of wearable tech with the Hypershell wearable Exoskeleton, designed to amplify strength and endurance. Command up to 800 watts of AI-powered assistive power, easing demanding movements over distances up to 11 miles on a single charge. Built with a hybrid frame of carbon fiber, aluminum alloy, and stainless steel, it's lightweight yet durable, with adjustable straps and breathable nylon for comfort. With IP54 resistance and multiple modes via the Hypershell Plus app, this exoskeleton adapts to various activities, but must be used responsibly and only as intended. Make language barriers a thing of the past with the Boeleo Translation Pen, a 142-language device designed for travelers, students, and those with reading challenges. This portable text extract pen scans printed text, digital screens, or labels and converts them into real-time voice translation, making reading easier. It supports OCR-based text-to-speech, photo translation, and document extraction synced to your phone. Compact yet powerful, it also functions as a recorder, thesaurus, and media player, helping users translate, learn, and capture information efficiently during travel, study, or business meetings. Bring your adventures to life from above with a drone that thinks as creatively as you do. The Antigravity A1 drone is a 360-degree camera drone, offering immersive flight, point-to-fly motion control, obstacle avoidance, deep track, auto-return, 10-kilometer transmission, and 8K 360-degree video. Designed for effortless mastery, intuitive control, and cinematic freedom, it captures every angle in stunning detail. With auto-edit, Sky Genie aerial moves, and FPV immersion through vision goggles, the A1 is perfect for filming, exploration, and sharing breathtaking perspectives, making every flight engaging, precise, and cinematic. Start the day with fun, focus, and a little AI magic. The Prunus AI Companion Alarm Clock is an all-in-one smart device for kids, teens, and families. perfect as a quirky white elephant gift or stocking stuffer for ages 3 to 18. It builds daily routines, fights procrastination with a visual Pomodoro timer, and doubles as a music player and weather station. With an interactive AI assistant for stories, questions, and learning, this clock keeps kids engaged while helping them manage time, complete tasks, and enjoy playful companionship every day. Stay organized, focused, and in control during every meeting. The Viaim AI voice recorder earbuds is an AI meeting assistant with real-time transcription, supporting 78 languages and 145 dialects. With Flash Record, you can instantly capture live audio, calls, and video sound without a phone or app. The earbuds also auto-generate summaries, to-do lists, and mind maps with Viaim AI, keeping your notes organized and actionable. Featuring 48 decibels of ANC, high-fidelity audio, long battery life, and secure encrypted storage, these earbuds are perfect for meetings, lectures, interviews, and on-the-go productivity. That wraps up our list of the top 20 AI gadgets you need in your pockets this year. From foldable tech to neural interfaces, the EDC trends of 2026 are all about smarter, not bigger. Which of these AI tools was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Are you Team Smart Glasses or Team Neural Earbuds? If you enjoyed this tech review, smash that like button and subscribe for more upcoming Tech 2026 updates. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on everything featured today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.